Hi everybody, this is Mike from RMT Family here. This here is our Model 3. Her name's Tess, and that's how she looks like in the summertime. We got her in September of 2018, and winter came along, and this here is actual dash cam footage from our daily drive to work. And it was almost daily like that during the winter time. We got lots of snow, and we were super happy how the car performed in the snow. There was really no issues, great traction. I have to say, we did replace the all-season tires with actual studless snow tires. We do that with all the cars we ever had. That's just the way to go if you're driving in Montana with up to 6 months of snow and cold weather like that. I personally recommend studless snow tires. The Michelin X Ice is the one that we favor and been running on every car, and it works great, including on the Model 3. Here's another snowy day that's on the way home. Yeah, that's kind of how it is in the wintertime in Montana. What we didn't know is that we would encounter a problem with the Aero Caps. We like the Aero Caps, so we left them on. We didn't think anything of it. And that was basically the only issue we had with wintertime driving. So one day we drove to town and we noticed the vibration. We thought it's the bad roads. As you can see, road conditions are pretty bad, so we didn't think too much of it. But then, as we walked back to the car, we noticed something on the wheels. This is the driver's side front wheel. We're looking at it from the front, and you can see the three arrows. They're pointing at the 3 points where the aero cap was pushed out. And you could actually see at the lowest point there was a white substance. That white substance is snow. So snow started pushing on that cap, it looked like. This here is the same wheel, it's just the view from the back side, the same 3 points. You can see also the one on the back side here has snow sticking out, and the one at the top, it just lifted the aero cap off a little bit, but it already started to lift. And so this is the issue that we have been encountering. We even lost a cap. In this picture you can see the snow buildup at the openings, and that's what it looks like when you pull the cap off. It's full of snow. And I even pulled the wheel off, and that is what the wheel looks like from the inside in the wintertime when you leave the aero caps on. So over time, yes, we lost the hubcap. We found it again a few days later, luckily. It was on the interstate. We experienced the vibrations, sometimes heavy vibration, several times. At some point, we were in Island Park, and that's dash cam footage we're showing you right here from the cozy cabin in Island Park. That's where we go snowmobiling in the wintertime. And there actually we had so much snow packed in, and the vibrations were so bad I had to pull the aero caps, dig out as much snow as I could. The snow actually, as you're driving, warms up slightly, and when you park it freezes, and that's what actually is pushing the cap off. So at that point in Island Park there, we had to remove the caps completely, clean it out as much as we could. Then we drove over to West Yellowstone, and there we left it sitting in the sun because it was still, we still had vibrations. Left it sitting in the sun and got more snow melted off, luckily. And after that, we didn't put the caps back on. We had to buy that kit that Tesla sells with the little center cover and the lug nut covers for the rest of the winter. And we put this kit on for this year. Didn't even bother. We pulled the Aero Caps off right away and left them off all winter long. So yes, you can't leave your Aero Caps on in the winter time. They will pack full of snow behind it. You will get vibration like an imbalanced wheel, and the snow will freeze and push the caps off, and you will lose the caps eventually. That's what happened to us. So we learned from that, and I just wanted to share that with you in case you drive in a snowy area. This will be happening to you if you get enough snow. Um, so you might as well want to consider removing the aero caps right off the bat, um, and possibly getting that same kit we did that has the center cap and the lug nut covers, and you're just showing the rim. The rim doesn't look too bad, but we like the aero cap look much better. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please hit the notification bell. We're going to have more videos coming of similar driving. We're going to share more wintertime driving videos. I'm going to show you more videos about traveling in Montana with few chargers around, but it's all possible to do, especially with a Model 3. So if you're interested in traveling in Montana with an EV, hey, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you for watching.